Hi, I'm Amanda Herring, and I'm here with Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm so excited to tell you all about my Friendship Quilt Along. This quilt along is filled with lots of great quilt blocks and lots of great inspiration that will be brought to you by me and over 30 of my designer friends. Fat Quarter Shop will be supplying the kits for these, and you can buy them following the links below. We have fabric, we have quilting templates that you will use to help you make the blocks. There's a thread collection with Aurifil, my favorite thread, and some fantastic buttons from Just Another Button Company. I know that you're going to love putting this quilt together just as much as I have, and I know that you're going to learn a lot of great techniques and meet a lot of wonderful new people. Every Friday, starting in the 1st of June, we'll be posting a block for you to make along with us. And that will continue all the way through the end of August, when you can finish your quilt and join with us in a celebration of friendship. I hope that you will join us, and we have made lots of great videos with Fat Quarter Shop, and you can find all of those on their YouTube channel. Hope to see you there, and hope to have you as one of our new friends.